Welcome back to Brizy, and in this video we're going to talk about a brand spanking new feature that's going to spank it right out of the basket, and that is in Brizy Cloud called cloning entire projects. Before we get there, please remember to give us a like for this video, subscribe, visit us at brizy.io, and also check down in the description below. We've got a load of links there for places you can visit to make your world more entertaining. My name is JP, and enough of that, let's get into this project cloning. Now on the left, I have a Brizy Cloud setup, and this is a free one, my free one. And on the right, I have another version of Brizy Cloud setup, but this is my pro version. What does project cloning do? I've created this course called the Block Crash Course, and you've probably seen it, and I've done it in this project. And let's say now that I want to share this project with a collaborator, or I want to share it with the community. Well, sharing is the wrong word here because it's not sharing. This is all about having someone else clone your website exactly, and then they can make it theirs. So if you want to share it with the community, you've created a really cool project, a demo or a template, and you want to give it to others to use, this is the way, Brizy Cloud. So let's go to the CMS dashboard and then project settings, and you will find in every project now under general the option to enable project cloning. That's it. Once you enable this one here, you're going to get a link. You copy it. With this link, it's a URL. If you don't like this URL, you can generate the new one, but all you need to do is, of course, copy it. Share it with someone else. Let's say I'm now this person here on the left. I get it. I'll create a new tab. I'll paste it. It's a URL, and that's it. And look at what it's going to do. Project cloning in progress. Please wait a few seconds to complete the process. And depending on how big the site is that you are cloning, this can be really quick. I did a one-pager. It was less than 15 seconds. I think this was also 15 seconds. You can see this is a free platform I'm using here, so the pro versions are locked. But there it is. If we go into the CMS dashboard, we can have a look here at the pages. We can even have a look at the blog. There are my pages. Let's go to the posts. There are the posts. I could have done this video in 30 seconds, but I decided to flesh it out with a little bit of hype. But really, you activate it, enable project cloning, you share the link, other people just enter it into their browser, it will open your Brizy Cloud, it will clone it, and then of course if you go to the dashboard, you just have to give it a name. It will give a project name for the latest, so this is project 16, and I will call it my first clone. Wow, this is Brizy Cloud. If you want to know about the latest updates in Brizy Cloud, you can always go to the profile setting in the top right corner and just select what's new. That will take you to the change log, and you will see here the project cloning feature via the URL. So let the cloning begin. From me, JP, then, I'll see you in the next one.